Oklahoma County District Judge Daniel Owens told the courtroom he had already decided to deny the state's motion to dismiss the lawsuit against House Bill 1595 before the hearing even began. That means the lawsuit challenging the measure will proceed. Then the judge ruled he will keep in place a temporary restraining order that keeps the law from going into effect. Attorney Teresa Stanton Collette is representing the state of Oklahoma in defending the lawsuit.
We're disappointed that the ban on sex selection abortions in the state can't go into effect immediately, but we understand the judge's desire to have additional briefing on the legal issue.
Plaintiff Laura Joyce Davis says she is pleased with the outcome of Friday's hearing. She calls the law, which establishes reporting requirements for abortion providers, an unnecessary invasion of privacy. Davis also disagrees with the provision of the law that bans getting an abortion based on the sex of the fetus.
People aren't even going to tell the truth. There's no point in it. It's just so Senator Lamb can get a high profile and get more votes from the far right wing when he runs for lieutenant governor.
During the hearing Friday, Judge Daniel Owens said he is a strong believer in the legislative process, but a stronger believer in the Constitution of Oklahoma, and says he has no plans to defer to the legislature on this matter.
I think that was a signal that he was sending to us that he understands that the legislature cannot ignore the requirements of the state constitution. The Constitution requires that each law address only one subject, and this law addresses at least 4.
Jennifer Mondino is the lead attorney for the plaintiffs. She says the arguments against House Bill 1595 are very similar to those made against a 2008 abortion law that was struck down as unconstitutional.
This law not only violates the state constitution, but threatens to use taxpayer funds in a time of economic crisis to enforce an unconstitutional law.
Attorney Collette is working for the Attorney General's office as special counsel as she defends the lawsuit against House Bill 1595. She says the primary focus of the law is preventing abortions based on sex selection.
And the following sections set up a reporting requirement so that the state can both monitor that to make sure that the abortion providers are complying with it and understand more fully why women are seeking abortions in the state. It's a single subject.
Judge Daniel Owens was very clear in court Friday that he wants to rule on the lawsuit as quickly as possible. He says he will make his decision on the merits of the case itself on Friday, February 19th at 1:30 p.m. From the Oklahoma County Courthouse, I'm Lori Rasmussen, the Oklahoma News Report.